to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Today, we'll be talking to you about something a little bit more serious, Suicide Prevention Week.
We just wanted to let you know that there are resources available in case you're feeling down.
To further prove our point, let's watch this quick video.
You are not alone.
Talk to someone.
Choose to stay.
You deserve support.
And the silence.
You are important.
Hold on to hope.
Together, we overcome.
Reach out today.
We care about you.
Stay strong, reach out.
There is hope.
Strength is seeking help.
Help is available.
You are loved. Yeah, that's true.
Welcome back, Pythons.
We're coming to you with a special challenge.
Your challenge is to visit the counselors and say thank you.
Their hard work is what keeps this school running, so go show them some love.
But now, the important announcements.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!